How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. If you caught the short posted, you realize it's hot, and it's still hot. But I got the whirly-bird installed and found me a little quieter fan. I don't know, you probably hear it in the background running right now, but maybe it's not too loud and obnoxious as the other fan. And so we're going to try it out and see. But I thought I'd work on a slimline kit today, a little slimline click pen for a buddy of mine, and I'll get you guys turned around and we'll get started. All right, folks, we've got it cut and trimmed and everything ready to go. We might as well get going. Let's find the tool we want to use. Get started with. will look like. Well, it will come out pretty good. I believe Dale will enjoy that. Oh, yeah. Let me get this thing thrown together and I'll bring you guys back for closing out. Alright everybody, I got it all thrown together now. I believe it looks really good. That turquoise, that black hardware and everything on it, it all come out pretty good. I tell you that them little springs, they're hard for sausage fingers to deal with. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this, or you know, feel free to like, subscribe. It don't cost anything, and it helps the channel, helps us grow a little bit and be able to continue doing this. And if you didn't enjoy it, then don't. It don't matter. I can't tell you what to do, but all I can do is ask. If there's anything that you'd like to see me do more or less of, feel free to leave it in the comments. You know, if you have any suggestions, drop them in there. You know, I read and I try to respond to all the comments and everything that we get, which granted I don't get many, but every little bit helps. But anyway, as always, thanks for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.